Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the online session of Jolly Phonics, organized by Skill Veda. Skill Veda is your partner in transforming education from certification courses to immersive workshop. We have got a wide range of skill building opportunities designed to unlock your potential and supercharge your career. Special thanks to the OGPS teachers and director of a school, Nutan ji, for joining us. Your presence means a lot. We are happy to start this fun-filled learning journey with you. In the first session, we will explore the basics of Jollyphonics, diving into the 42 sounds, actions, and interactive activities that make learning so joyful. Let's get started and make phonics a blast. Let's extend a warm welcome to Ms. Devjani Das, our expert trainer, educationist, and consultant. With more than 30 years of experience in ECCE and Jollyphonics, she is all set to guide you through this exciting journey. Welcome, Ms. Das. Welcome, everyone.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm very happy to be here with you all. So this is not going to be a training session. Basically, I'll be sharing my experiences with you, and we will learn something new, and it's full of fun. So once I start, I request all of you, because if you can kindly switch on your videos, because Jollyphonics is all about actions, fun, expressions, voice modulations, and a lot of activities. So if you can please keep your videos on, it will be.
We are having Nutan ji. Nutan ji, can you switch on your camera and say a few words?
Yes.
Yeah, she is the director of OGPS. Nutan ji.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Really
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Nice
ma'am.
to see you, Twinkle ma'am, and today's moderator of this session.
Devjani.
We welcome both of you for this informative session, ma'am.
Welcoming
Thank
you
you.
also,
Evening,
Nutan ji.
respected ma'am.
Long time no seeing. अब आज आप मिले हो तो ऑनलाइन ही सही वही सही. I
Thank you
hope
so much.
everybody
Thank you.
enjoys this session.
So
Ji, ma'am.
I
Continue, please.
welcome. Thank you so much. I'm honored to have you also in the session. Hope you all will enjoy and like it. So to begin with, what you know about phonics? And if you can just give me your previous experience and previous knowledge, if you all can share, you can unmute and share your what do you know about phonics? Have you ever heard of phonics? What is that?
Phonics means sounds, letter sounds.
Letter sounds, yes. And who else?
I'm Kranti Tota.
So what is it?
Phonic is the sounds of the letters which help us to pronounce some words.
Okay. Okay. So before I start with the correct definition of phonics, can you all tell me how many alphabets we have in English?
42. 42.
42 alphabets you have.
24 alphabets. 26. 26 alphabets
26.
and 42 sounds. 42
26.
sounds are there.
We have 26 alphabets, right? All sure?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Lock किया जाए?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, 26
Yes, ma'am.
letters.
Yes.
Alphabets
We
are
don't.
40.
There
26
is
are letters, ma'am.
Letters 26.
and 42 alphabets.
Sounds.
42
Sounds are there.
sounds.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many alphabets are there?
A to G or I.
26 alphabets.
Yes, ma'am. 26 alphabets are there in the alphabets.
They
So,
are.
so
It is
I'm locking
are
it.
there.
I'm locking it, okay? Now I'll start drawing a pearl necklace, okay? So let's count the pearls. See, pearls are never in shape. The original pearls. Original pearls are all never round.
नहीं उंगली तो मेरी चल रही है उसमें
Can you just please mute your voice? Only when you are asked to, then only you switch on your. Please do not draw on the board. Please do not draw on the board.
You will
Please
have
do not do.
ample time to draw, not right now, please.
Please, I cannot.
ये बंद करना और पंखा बंद करना
So can you tell me how many pearls are here in this necklace?
दादा मेरा वीडियो
Ma'am, 27.
Oh, one is extra. So let's cut that. So it is 26 pearls are there, right?
Okay.
This 26 pearls all together makes a necklace, right? When we are tying up each, all together is called a necklace. Got it? And each of them are called single pearl. Similarly, in English language or any language, this each of the pearl is called letter. Okay. I write very bad. So they are called letter. And this whole necklace, somebody is again doing that.
Swati ji, please don't scribble on the board.
इसमें मेरी वीडियो जा रही है क्या इससे करना दो
सीमा
So
जी
this-
आपकी आवाज भी आती है, वीडियो भी जाती है, आवाज भी आती है.
Each and every pearl is called a letter, and this whole necklace is called alphabet. There is no word called alphabets. Alphabets is a wrong English. It is alphabet. And each of the pearl in that alphabet are called letters. So we have 26 letters, 1 alphabet, and 42 sounds. Now tell me, there are 26 letters. Then how come we are getting 42 sounds?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Thus, ma'am, few teachers are waiting. They are texting again and again that they are not able to join from all three branches. So how can we help them, ma'am? Please suggest us.
Nutan ji, mostly teachers have joined. Maybe their network issues are there. Ask them to check their network settings actually.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, because almost 75 are there.
Ma'am, Preeti Chaudhary, ma'am, Moshmi, ma'am.
Yeah,
So in
because
charges,
most
please
of the
look into this. The wing in charges, it is humble request to you. Please help them. Those are texting again and again. Peepalka and Kheda in charges. Connect with them personally.
Ask them to check their network settings, please.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
Can I start?
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Nutanji, can
Please.
we start or should we wait for them?
Ma'am, we can start because it is again timing issue. Na? It is one and
Yeah,
a
yeah,
half
yeah.
minutes.
And
Yeah.
we will be sharing the notes and recording, so they will see if whenever whatever they miss now, they can see it in the recording also.
That is very good because you have made the group. So that will be
Yes,
very
yes,
simple.
yes. We will
Recorded.
be
They
sharing
will.
everything in the group. I will add you also in the group if you want.
Yes, ma'am. Please do that.
Okay, I will do that. I will do
Thank
that.
you so much. Okay.
So now you are clear, never say alphabets because there is no word in English that is alphabets because it is only single alphabet. Okay. Now tell me one thing. There are 26 letters. Then how come there are 42 sounds?
Ma'am, some letters make more than one sound.
Ma'am, by
Sil-
merging the letters, they create another sound,
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
like
like diphthongs, digraphs.
What are digraphs?
Ma'am, digraphs are the sounds which we used to say like single two letters when we merge two letters and create two sounds together. That is digraph.
You're nearing to it, but Acha, please make sure that no one writes on the whiteboard. It is very difficult for me then to continue.
ma'am,
Jenny
digraph.
ji, just clear the whiteboard and do it again, please.
Okay, now I'm going to share the
Yeah,
PPT.
and it's
Okay, so now you know that there are 26 most
Ma'am,
of you
digraphs are the combination of two letters.
we will come to that. Abhi to it's just starting.
no, it's okay. Then if there are combination of 4 letters, then what we will call?
Combination of two letters.
Okay, so let's not jump. Let's go one by one. So the first is there is one alphabet, 26 letters, 42 sounds. 42 sounds are coming from 26 letters. You are correct. There are a lot of combinations which create sound and we get 42 sounds. Right? This much clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now, what is Jollyphonics and why we are today here to learn Jollyphonics? Can tell me.
Ma'am, basic. Good evening,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, this side भारती कौशिक. मैम
Okay.
बेसिकली हम बच्चों को 26 अल्फाबेट्स पढ़ाते हैं तो जॉली फोनिक्स में हम बच्चों को 42 कोर लेटर्स के बारे में बताते हैं
42 core letters.
यस मैम सपोज
What are they?
इसमें मैम ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड होता है ग्रुप 1 ग्रुप 2 ग्रुप 3 ग्रुप 5 6 7 और उसमें मैम डिफरेंट डिफरेंट अल्फाबेट्स आते हैं
Alphabet is a wrong English.
अल्फा ओके
अभी मैंने बताया ना.
यस मैम इट्स
There is
अल्फाबेट
only one single alphabet.
Alphabet. Yes.
अल्फाबेट के अंदर लेटर होता है. जैसे कि एक पर्ल का नेकलेस बनाने के लिए आपको 26 पर्ल्स यू नीड. सिमिलरली आपको 42 साउंड्स के लिए 26 लेटर्स भी चाहिए और ये सबको मिला के बोलते हैं वन अल्फाबेट. सिंगल अल्फाबेट. मैं कहाँ क्लीन करूं इसको? मैं तो शुरू भी नहीं किया. But then why Jollyphonics? Why you want to learn Jolly Phonics? How it is different than other phonics? How it is different than other phonics? So prior to Jolly Phonics se pehle, there were 3 other kind of phonics. What is phonics? Phonics is learning about the sound of each letter. Okay. It is a sound of each letter. That is the phonics. And how Jolly Phonic is unique, or why we are today here to learn Jolly Phonics. Right? So there were phonics. Phonics is there since ages, because phonic is a very small part of the linguistic. What is linguistic? Linguistic is a method of decoding words. See, it is the study of letters, like when the letter was formed, how the letter came into origin. ये सब बारे में जो पढ़ाई होता है, that is called linguistic. And phonic, or the sound, is a very, very small part of it. Okay. So, phonic इससे पहले भी था, जॉली phonic से भी पहले था. So, what are those 3 previous phonics? Please do not write on the whiteboard. So, the first phonic is analytic. Okay. In analytic, क्या होता था? It was called, जैसे कि हम लोग rhyming words पढ़ाते थे ना, cat, rat, mat, had, bad, rat, or tad, then bed, red, ted, pin, fin, tin. So it used to be the rhyming words only. So बच्चे को क्या करते थे, हम लोग रोट लर्न करवाते थे. चलो अभी एट बैट कैट पैट पढ़ लो, फिर अभी पढ़ लो पिन फिन टिन मिन पढ़ लो, फिर अभी एड रेड बेड पढ़ लो, टब सन बट पढ़ लो, टब बट टब रब पढ़ लो. So it was used to be only the rhyming words.
Yes, ma'am. We introduced first word to them.
First word, then you introduce the sound.
Yes, ma'am. Earlier, but in Jolly Phonics, we introduce sound first, then introduce word.
Yeah, we'll come to that. Yes. Please, कोई मैंने delete ही कर दिया ये. This was the first.
Varsha ji, Preeti ji, please don't scribble on the whiteboard. It will be difficult for you people to see the board then.
Then the third one, second.
Don't give them right to write anything on
No,
the board.
I'm doing that only. I'm trying to
Remove that
Yeah,
right from
yes, so
the
that's the same thing I have to do
participants.
actually then.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes.
restrict. Just do the restriction because
Put
it is
put the like closing over
Yes,
there.
yes, yeah, host. I am doing that only. I am
Okay,
doing.
ma'am. Okay.
yeah. Otherwise it is disturbing the
Yes,
whole
yes.
thing.
Will not work regularly, na? It will be hurdle again and again.
Yeah. Analogy. Then came the analogy. What is analogy was? Analogy was we used to. Analogy was the kids were given it's called the word bank, a bank of phonograms. Again, it was like at family, in family, at family. It was used to be in a family. Remember, it was a family, right? The word families. the sound families. So that was analogy. There was no structured curriculum basically. It was just randomly the kids used to given the words and they were asked to wrote those words. Then came embedded. Embedded was similarly, it had a very small kind of explanations and a little bit of mini curriculum. But still, the rote learning part was there. So is it clear what was analytic, analogy, and embedded, why they were not successful? Because in analytic and analogy and embedded, there was no structured, कोई structured curriculum नहीं था. And uske upar, moreover, there were rote learning because the kids were given a list of words. Either they were rhyming words or the word families. So they had to do the rote learning. So there was no logic given. There was no explanation was there. Then came Jolly Phonics. Jolly Phonics basically is called synthetic phonics. Is this clear till now? Please let me know if you are confused. Instead of drawing on the board, please let me know.
Ma'am, can you please explain again analytic, analogy, and embedded?
Analytic, basically, they were given a list of words, rhyming words. Like, suppose you said cat. Now, come on, children, what are the words that rhymes with cat? Cat, hat, mat. Then there was, okay, now red, bed, fed. Okay, then pin, fin, tin. So they used to hear one word and they would find out more. Let's suppose you give a child 10 rhyming words. So they used to go home, rote learn that and come back. Right? Now, then came the analogy. In analogy, there was word families. What families, what given? Like at,
At family.
ed. Yes. And. So this was the family. So there was no structured curriculum. It was just randomly they were given the words and the children used to go home and do the rote learning. Okay. Now came embedded. In embedded, it was a mixed of word family, a mixed of rhyming. So here we came to know the CVC words. Right? That is consonant, vowel, and consonant. But still, the rote learning persuaded. They were still there. Children had no explanations. Children have no exposures to decode an unknown word. Decoding मतलब break करना. Break करके एक unknown word को बोलना. उसका spelling बोलना. वो अभी तक नहीं, अभी तक they were stuck to that rote learning process. Then came Jolly Phonics. Jolly Phonics is called basically the synthetic phonics. Okay. Why it is called synthetic phonics? Because Jolly Phonics is taught through multi-sensorial way. आपको पता है multi-sensorial क्या है?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
नो मैम
मैम मल्टी सेंसरी मतलब मैम जिसमें हम मल्टीपल सेंस ऑर्गन का यूज करके हम कुछ चीज करते हैं
So what is that multi-sense?
मैम जैसे आईज का यूज करके हम पिक्चर आइडेंटिफिकेशन करते हैं हम साउंड का प्रोड्यूस करके हम कुछ चीज बोलते हैं मतलब डिफरेंट सेंस
So
ऑर्गन
that means we are using our sense organs, right?
यस मैम यस मैम
Yes. So Jolly Phonics is also, it's taught through multi-sense. seeing,
touching,
touching,
hearing.
hearing, right? So that is how the jolly phonic is. So what we say, the child learns because, Rekha, ma'am, please, if you can mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Good
Please
afternoon,
mute
ma'am.
yourself. Good afternoon. Please mute yourself because we can hear your voice.
मैम मेरी तरफ से हो नहीं रहा है, मैं कोशिश काफी देर से कर रही हूँ.
आपका म्यूट नहीं हो रहा है?
सेम ईयर यहाँ से भी नहीं हो रहा एक्चुअली. आई एम
इसमें
ऑल्सो
सेटिंग
ट्राइंग
ही
टू
नहीं
म्यूट.
आ रही है, पता नहीं.
आप फिर ना मतलब जो इफ यू वांट टू ask question then you can ask because I am also trying to mute you but it's not happening from here.
ओके.
Okay. So, where were you? Ha. So, Jollyphonic is basically taught through multi-sensorial way. That you have to see, the children will hear, and they will touch, and they will learn. And what is the purpose of Jollyphonics? Purpose of Jollyphonic is to prepare a child as a lifelong learner. मतलब क्या है? एक रोट लर्निंग में एंड लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्नर्स में क्या डिफरेंस है?
मैम रूट लर्निंग जो है मैम कुछ टाइम तक ही रहती है, आपको याद. लेकिन लाइफ लर्निंग में आप जो आप अब पढ़ रहे हैं वो लाइफ टाइम तक आपको याद रहता है. तो बच्चों को
लाइफ लॉन्ग
मैम,
लर्नर मतलब, हाँ
यस
बोलिए.
मैम, बच्चों को हमें लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्नर बनाना है रेदर देन रूट लर्निंग, बिकॉज आई थिंक रूट लर्निंग nowadays it not beneficial and it become life learner students.
So rote learning में क्या होता है? It is not root learning, it is rote learning. Rote learning में what happens? Rote learning में the learning remains for a short span of time. What happens? एक पोएम जो है वो आप रोट बिना समझ के भी आप रोट सकते हो. अब बाय हार्ट लर्न कर लिए, आप आए, कल एग्जाम है, आप बच्चे बोल दिए, हो गया. आप 5 days के बाद यू आस्क दैट सेम चाइल्ड to recite that poem. You will see that most of the poem the child has forgotten. Because it was a rote learning, and rote learning always stays for a very short span of time. लेकिन एक लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्नर जो होता है, आज आप देखिए ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटिल स्टार, आपको किसी को बोलना नहीं पड़ेगा कि रोट उसको बाय हार्ट लर्न करके हो. बच्चों से लेके बूढ़ों तक ऑल दे नो ट्विंकल ट्विंकल, बिकॉज वेन एवर वी से ट्विंकल ट्विंकल व्हाट हैपेंस, वी कैन विजुअलाइज सम स्टार्स, a girl is standing in front of a window, right? That's what we can visualize. और ये बात छोड़िए, अगर आज आपको पूछा जाए कि आपकी बचपन की कोई भी एक पोएम सुनाइए, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू विल बी एबल टू से दैट? एंड इफ यू कैन से अ वन सिंगल पोएम, व्हाई यू रिमेंबर दैट पोएम? कैन यू टेल मी?
Ma'am, because we learned that poem.
We learned?
That poem. That is why we remember.
You have learned that poem. तो बाकी
Yes.
पोएम को आपको क्यों नहीं याद है?
मैम बिकॉज
Ma'am,
अवर
जिसको
टीचर
way of learning, way of learning.
What is that way of learning? What is that way of learning?
मैम थ्रू गेस्चर्स
Through
एंड
gestures?
मैम एंड
So
पिक्चर्स
मतलब
आल्सो.
जो टीचर्स आपको पढ़ाए थे, तो उसके ऊपर ही डिपेंड कर रहे हैं ना पूरा.
यस मैम.
Ma'am,
यस मैम.
sometimes repetition of the same, like if they are repeating same.
Even if you do the repetition, the children will remember it till a very short span of time. Unless and until you are making the child
Ma'am, with
understand.
action,
Yes, with action, with understanding.
with understanding.
Yes, by experiencing it. One is experiential learning. Right? आज आप एक बच्चे को जाके पूछिए, बोलिए कि ये कैंडल में उंगली मत डालो. द चाइल्ड विल नॉट लिसन टू यू. विल द चाइल्ड 2 दिन बाद फिर उंगली देगा. फिर आप एक थप्पड़ लगाए, मत दो. फिर वो 5वें दिन पे फिर ट्राई करेगा. लेकिन जिस दिन उसका उंगली जलेगा, the child will never touch that fire.
Yes, ma'am. It is called learning by doing.
Yes,
Experiential learning, yes, ma'am.
yes. So
Yes,
Jollyphonic, that is the reason why Jollyphonic prepares a lifelong learner than a rote learners. Because it takes the help of multi-sensory. You got it?
got
Now?
it. Yes.
Yes. So, who first founded this? Sue Lloyd, Dr. Christopher Jolly, he was the initiative. He took the initiative with the help of Sue Lloyd and Sarah Wenham. These two were the teachers of Sue Lloyd School. So three of them, they found that a child after certain age, their vocabulary is becoming very limited. They cannot read unknown words because they don't know the process of breaking it into pieces. Okay, so then they founded Jollyphonics. So Dr. Christopher Lloyd, Christopher Jolly, Sue Lloyd, and Sarah Wenham. These three, they formed Jollyphonics from London. So all the rules, regulations, and whatever the instruction Jollyphonics gives are all for the authentic British origin words. Because you have to remember one thing, the English that we hear today, English we speak today is a mixture of lot of other words. The words we use Arabic, Latin, Greek, Portuguese, French, Australian English, Norwegian English, then American English. So there are multiple places the English has come and it has formed today's modern English. So whenever you see that the word is not following the rules or not getting along with the Jollyphonics formations, you have to please find out that the origin of that word, whether it's a British authentic origin or it is a mixture. So there are a couple of rules when we will come across. We will see that there are many words that we use today. It's like a word I'll say, we use it very commonly. Safari. Let's go for a jungle safari. We say, na?
Yes,
We
yes,
very
ma'am.
commonly
Yes,
we
ma'am.
say.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
safari is not an English origin word. Can you tell me from where it has originated? It is a Arabic word. Okay, now it has got into the mainstream of English. Then there is a very common word that is we use nowadays for WhatsApp or Facebook, emoji. Emoji.
Yes, ma'am.
It's
Emoji
a
is
Japanese, ma'am.
it's a
Japanese.
Japanese word. Yes. Can you tell me the word phonics or phone? From where it has originated? It is a Greek origin word. In Greek, phone means sound. Okay. So there are many words which has come into the mainstream of English, and now we use it in our daily life. So now you know what is analytic, analogy, and embedded, and
Yes, ma'am.
Jollyphonics, how it is different. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
when you are teaching, when we used to teach analytic, analogy, and embedded, the research have shown that a child till the age of age 10 years, they only learn 7,000 words. How many words?
7,000.
7,000. But
7,000.
do you have any idea, once you start teaching Jolly Phonics by the age of 10, how many words a child learns?
No, no. No idea, ma'am.
30,000 words.
Age of
30
10, ma'am.
by 10 years. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. They learn 30,000 words, whereas in comparison to 7,000. In comparison to 7,000. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in
Yes,
Jolly
ma'am.
Phonics, what are we going to learn? We are going to learn 5 skills. Okay? We are going to learn skills. That is, the first is learning the letter sound, then learning the letter formation.
Letter formation, blendings, identify sounds in words, tricky words. That's
Mhm.
all.
Good. So you have done Jolly Phonics earlier?
Uh,
Hmm?
no, ma'am, not all.
Not all. This is what we learn. Okay. So in Jolly Phonics, we start with letter S because it is said that letter S is used maximum times in every word of English. So we start with the sound S, then we do the lowercase letters. Letters have tails at the end. Size of each letters, it depends on how the size, like we start with a small one, then the tall above, then below the lines. Okay. Then you have vowels. Then you have vowels, are the special letters. So do you know what is LSRW is?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So tell me.
Yes, ma'am. First is listening,
Speaking,
and reading and writing.
reading and writing.
Writing.
Listening, speaking,
Speaking,
Reading and
reading,
writing.
and writing. So how do you implement this in literacy?
Ma'am, first
How
of
do
all,
you use
students
it?
will listen carefully, and after that speaking the same word, and after that reading the same word and writing.
What do you mean by read?
Read means that, ma'am, correct pronunciation of the word. How the students will read the word means that
Suppose
it is,
you are expecting it from a 3.5 years old that they were going to read.
no, ma'am.
Then what is reading means? Listening is when you are repeating, when you are seeing, you're preparing their listening ability. So once they start listen carefully, they start speaking. They
yes,
will start repeating after you, right? Then reading is when they know, when they're hearing, when they're speaking, now they start recognizing the symbols. Now, when you show a child of 1.5 years or 1 year a bottle of Thumbs Up and a bottle of Coca-Cola, have you seen that they can identify them? They can identify which is a Coca-Cola and which is a Thumbs Up. So do you think that they can read it?
no, ma'am. They can identify with the symbols.
Yes.
With the help of
So
picture drawing, they can identify.
they can identify.
Ma'am.
So by reading also, it means they can identify the object by seeing the symbols. So
Yes,
for
ma'am.
them, A, B, C, D is a symbol. So when we put the sight words, so reading is basically recognizing the sight words.
Sight word. Yes, ma'am. These are the sight words.
Correct? And then the last stage of complete literacy
Writing.
is writing.
Right.
That is the last stage, right? So now, how you are going to teach the sound. So whenever there is a process of it. So whenever you are introducing a consonant. So we know how many consonants there are there and how many vowels are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Five vowels.
ma'am. Yes,
Five
Yes,
five.
ma'am.
sounds,
Five vowels,
Five
21
vowels.
vowels,
21
21
consonants.
consonants.
21 consonants.
Yes.
Good. Very good. Very responsive batch. Everybody is responsive.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
No, it's good. It's good. You know, the basically the trainer feels very motivated if the whole class is participating and asking questions. I feel very motivated because I know that my participants are actually listening to me. So 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Now, in Jolly Phonics, when we are introducing say about a consonant, what we do basically, we always use words which is ending with that particular consonant. Suppose we are introducing the letter B, right? How will you introduce? Not with ball, not with bat, because Jollyphonic is a method where we use the purest form of the sound. I will once repeat, the purest form of the sound. How? When we are saying bat, the b is followed by the sound a.
Yes,
So that means the sound of b is getting obstructed by the sound of a.
Yes.
The pure form
Yes.
of b is not heard. So when we are introducing b, we should use words like tab, cab, like. So where you are finishing with the, because it is not b, it is b.
B.
Yes.
Yes.
It is not b, it is b.
Yes.
Cab, cab,
Cab,
cab,
cab,
lab,
Tap.
fab,
lab,
lab.
lab.
Yes.
Yes.
Lab.
So
Lab.
b. So whenever you are introducing consonant, make sure that the word you are introducing should be ending with the sound b. Do I need to repeat it?
Repeat again.
Whenever we are introducing, see, consonant 21 and 5 vowels, we all know. So when we are in, and Jollyphonics says, Jollyphonics basically teaches the purest form of the sound. The purest, not ba, ba, no, it is
Not
ba.
B.
It's k,
Yes.
it's k, 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 it's d. Okay, so whenever you are introducing a purest form, there should not be any blockage to that sound. So when you're saying cab, so if we are saying it is cab. So ka is followed by a. The purest form is not heard. But if you say mac,
Ma.
lack, k, right?
Understood.
Huh? So we are now coming to vowels. When we are introducing vowels, similarly, it should be starting with a vowel. Like apple, egg, right? Ink, umbrella, umbrella, orange. Can you see my face?
Yes,
Apple,
ma'am.
Yes,
Apple.
ma'am.
apple. So there is no sound which is blocking the sound of the vowel. Egg, ink. So a, e, umbrella, orange,
On.
on. Correct. So introduce a word which is starting with a vowel. And when it is consonant, introduce a word when it is ending with that
Ending.
consonant. Yes. So whenever we want to practice saying the consonant, we must take a word where consonant come at the end of the word, so that there is no other sound heard or blocking the purest form of the sound. Similarly, whenever we want to practice saying the vowel sound, the practice must be starting sound with the vowel. So again, no other word sound can block that. Like apple, ant, egg, elephant, ink pot, igloo, umbrella, urn, orange, on. You can hear the purest form. Till now, so good? All good?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, there are 42 sounds we know. So what Jollyphonic has done, Jollyphonic has grouped that 46 sounds into 7 different groups. Okay. So now here can you see my cursor?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
they have, here
Yes,
Yes.
I
ma'am.
have used
Ma'am.
2 lines.
Yes, ma'am.
Here I have used 2 lines,
Yes,
Yes,
right?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you know what the name of this line is called? This, have you heard the word called parenthesis?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
A kind of bracket, round bracket
The symbols. Yes.
symbol.
नहीं ज्यादा है
So
आधा कप करना
how they look?
parenthesis.
These are used in mathematics.
triangle,
Right?
rectangle.
So they are used in mathematics. So whenever we want to mention the sound of the letter, it should always come in between like this. And when we want to mention the name of the letter, it should be like this. This is, please don't do this. Don't do this. So when we are writing like this, it is s, s. When we are writing like this, it is S. S. So this is the name of the letter and this is the sound of the letter.
Sound of the letter.
This is the name and that is the sound. Yeah. Clear?
Name.
Now, next is the font. The font that is used in Jollyphonics, it is called Sassoon Infant Font. Sassoon Infant Font, which is being found by Rosemary Sassoon. Please don't do this.
If I will stop that writing there, then you also can't write it on the whiteboard. That's why I can't.
Yeah, I know. If you restrict that, then it will be
Yes,
restricted from
yes,
my part also. It will get.
yes.
No, you all are teachers, so you know. So Rosemary Sassoon finded the Sassoon infant font. So what is how the font look like? It is not cursive. See, cursive is this. So this font is in between cursive and print. In cursive, the burr is like this. But here it looks like this. Okay. So this is called Sassoon infant font, right? So this is basically used for the Jolly Phonics. Now, what did I said in the beginning? That Jolly Phonics is a multisensorial way of teaching. So we will have lot of fun all these 15, 14 days, and it will be lot of actions. So whenever you are teaching them, it should be full of energy, lot of actions and stories, visualizing. Are you all ready for that?
Yes, ma'am, we are ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We are
We
Yes,
have
ma'am.
a
Yes, ma'am.
So
Definitely,
all of
ma'am.
you, if you can all switch on your videos, then we can all do the actions together. Okay. So the first sound of Jollyphonic is S. So S. We can by S, we can make a snake.
using the gun.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can tell a story that I went to a park and I was sitting on a grass and I heard a hissing noise.
Fingers.
Hiss. See, wherever you are getting that, put stress on that. And then what did I see? Oh my God. I saw a snake. Snake. Right? Then you can keep continuing it. After the snake went, something was bothering my hand. Then what I saw? Ant
And
climbing my arm. Ant climbing my arm and causing alarm. Alarm is irritation. It is irritating me. Ant causing alarm. Then from there, I went to a tennis court where a tennis match was going. And I was sitting and watching that. Ta, 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 ta. So you watch now, you see this side and that side. So the head goes back and forth,
back and forth. Yes,
right?
right.
Then I came back home, and do you know I have a pet mouse in my home? Oh my God, it was very naughty that day. it threw all the ink which was there on my table, and all over the ink spread.
Split the ink
And
over
the
all over the
mouse
table.
became all ink and ink.
Ink.
Now I changed the mouse name, and now I call him
Inky.
Inky the mouse.
Inky the mouse is my
E
pet.
Inky the mouse.
Inky the mouse is my pet.
Inky the mouse is my pet.
Please fill the record.
Then from there, I went to my friend's birthday, and there was a pink pig cake, and I
Puff.
puff the
Puff
candle,
the candle.
puff, puff the candle,
Puff. Puff
put the
out the
finger
candle on
in
the pink
front.
pig cake.
If you know, then you please tell.
The candle.
Okay. And there I heard an aeroplane flying by making a noise. So see, this whole group had a story which is connected. You can do the connection. You can have your own story, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But these are the basic stories that are being told, and you can tell them, narrate them with flashcards, with puppets, with lot of actions, voice modulation, facial expressions. So we can hear the sound now.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we will create a story individual. Like these sounds
Yes.
are not
Yeah.
set pin also.
Huh?
Set pin.
Satpin, you can call it. You can call it Satipin. You can call it SATPIN. There is no hard and fast rule for that.
Snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is
Can
in
we all do the action?
grass.
Let's do the actions. Let's all of you do the action.
Ants on my
Ants on my arm.
ants on my
Ants on my arm.
ants on my arm,
They're causing me alarm.
Bring your bat. Bring your bat and bring your ball.
When I watch a tennis game, when I watch a tennis game, my head goes very back and forth.
My head goes back and forth.
What?
Inky the
Inky the
mouse is my
mouse
pet.
is my pet. She spilled the ink and it get wet.
The ink is
Ink is
spread
spread all over the desk. Inky's wet. Now, you can have your own story. Like Inky, a small mouse living in my room. It was in the hole of the wall, and then it spreaded the ink. You can elaborate the story and tell.
Filled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky's wet. Puff out the candles and pink cake. Puff out the candles and the pink cake. Puff. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. The aeroplane making lots of noise. Now it is not no. Roll your tongue, touch the upper part, and the sound should come from your nose.
Yes. Right, right. So now let's come to a very important point. How will you teach the children this sound? Once you introduce this, then what comes next? Because some of you know Jolly Phonics, I think. So can you tell me how you're going to introduce the words? Tell me. Suppose I wrote this word. How will you tell them?
Hat.
First of all, letter sound. K, at, cat.
Cat. No, it's wrong. Cat, that's the at family. You're going back to that embedded format. Here we are here to tell you the purest form of the sound. Once you do the sat pin, how will you introduce cat? Or you have finished the word, all the letter sound, and now you are introducing the words. Now, when you are introducing the word cat, what will you do? You first tell them how many sounds you can hear. How many sounds you can hear. So let the children show their fingers. K, k, k.
Three letter sound.
Please do not jump. If you know, also please control your emotions. Okay, because maybe others they don't know. So k, then comes t, t, t. So in Jolly Phonics, it is very important. You have to identify the number of sounds in the word, and then how to identify that, you have to use the sound. Now tell me what you have to use.
Sounds.
Sound I know, but how will you identify make the children identify the sounds? Through a sound button. K, you put one button. The second button. Then T, the third button. And then ask them to count the number. Then you ask them to count the number. K, T. So you can call them on the board and you can write any word. Suppose you right? Now here, how many sounds are there?
3.
Now here, 3. How?
In.
Sp. When you are saying spur, you can hear the sound of s and p separately. Can you or you cannot?
Yes.
So they are never together. It is s,
4 sound
p,
word.
e,
In.
n.
Is
Am I correct? Is it n? Is it
Yeah.
n?
No.
It is not n. It's not in. It's n. It's it's so so there are 4 sounds.
4 sound words. 4 sound words.
Yes, ma'am.
This is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
4 sound.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Similarly, if I ask now, how many sounds you can hear?
4, ma'am.
Four.
Ma'am, four.
Four sounds.
Four sounds.
Four sounds, ma'am.
P, p,
Four sounds.
p,
A,
a,
J,
and
J,
t,
J,
t.
J, Pat.
So, sound buttons are very, very, very important. Without sound buttons, Jollyphonic is nothing. It loses its importance. You will understand why it is important. Because a child needs to understand the number of sounds a child. So this is called decoding a word. You are giving an unknown, because for a child of 2.5, cat is an unknown word for them.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So when they have to understand what is cat, they have to know the number of sounds the word cat is having. Though only then the importance of digraphs, importance of phonics, Jollyphonics comes in the form. Correct? Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll just ask couple of words, if you can tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
You can tell me how many sound are there in the word snap.
Four.
4, ma'am.
Four.
Again.
Four.
Ma'am, four.
Four sounds.
What are they?
Four sounds.
Four sound. Now, when I say the word pip,
What, ma'am?
pip,
Three sounds, ma'am.
Ma'am, three sounds. Ma'am. Three sounds.
P. Pa. A. Pa.
p,
Pip. Three.
p, e, p.
It's two first and last sound.
Three
So
sounds.
the buttons are very important. You have to know. So whenever you are given a worksheets, I'll be giving you assignments or assessments. You have to, whenever you are asked to put buttons, you have to put buttons where, and the buttons are always used with a red ink. It is always done with a red color, red ink. So whenever you are given an assignment for this last 15 days, next 15 days, you have to put it like this with red ink, put a line, and then you have to mention the number of sound that you hear. So am I clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Till now, everything is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very clear.
Any questions, any suggestions you want to give, any query you
Yeah.
have? Please go
Yeah.
ahead.
Please do that. Then we will go for the next one.
Nothing, ma'am. Everything clear.
Yes, ma'am. You can
Any
continue.
question, any suggestion, any query, please go ahead. Nutanji, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm here. Do not worry. I will join all the sessions.
Great. I am not worrying at all if you are there.
I'm here only, ma'am. Thank you
Okay,
so much.
perfect.
Thank you so much.
No, it is good. You are such an inspiring director for all the teachers.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, do you have any queries or do you have any suggestions till now? It's all good?
Thank you so much for this nice explanation, Das ma'am. But again, my suggestion is we need to involve the teachers into the session, because as we know, as a teacher, we need equally participation from the student side. So here it is a
Yes.
humble request. Teachers must participate equally, ma'am. So we will have
That is what
activities.
that is what I want. Even I
Yeah.
always say that please switch on your videos and please do the actions with me.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Please answers.
from tomorrow, sorry for interruption. From tomorrow, because it is the first session, those teachers will not open the camera. We will remove from the Zoom meeting them.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
from the
that will
admin
be so
part,
good.
yeah, from the admin part, you may have that
Yes.
right. So tomorrow, today is the first day. So as we tell the student to have the comfort zone of them. So for that,
Correct.
we are not doing anything. But from tomorrow, because they have paid it, they understand the sensitivity of payment. Okay, you have given the amount. So you should take each and everything in the open platform. So this is just a suggestion for tomorrow. Okay, ma'am? And
Yes,
please
yes.
go
You
ahead.
should
Thank you
take
Go ahead.
so
benefit of
much.
this session, but
You take the
obviously,
benefit of the session,
yeah.
ask me questions, because there will be lot of activities that needs to be done. You know, if your cameras is switched off, I will not feel motivated to teach you. Okay, so that is one part, and then we have a lot of storytelling sessions we'll be having. We'll have a storytelling competitions also. Okay, so you have to be much more participant. Now we will be doing the group 2. So group 2, the first two sound that we hear is k and k. Both are same. Now when you are teaching a child, suppose a child says, "Ma'am, what is the spelling of cake?" So what will you say? Cake is C-A-K-E.
Cake.
But if I tell you both sound similar, then if I say K-E-K-A-K-E, I'm not wrong. Am I wrong?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sounds no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Because both sound same.
Same, yes, ma'am.
Both are k, k, k,
Yes,
k, k.
yes.
Then suppose king. What will be the spelling of king? King. What will be the spelling of king?
K-I-C-K.
Nah, king, not cake.
King.
King.
K-I-N-G.
K.
K-I-N-G.
But if I say C-I-N-G, I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am, it's confusing. As a student, it is
C has
confusing.
two sounds, ka and ka, sometimes ka.
Why? I have two names. My
Ma'am,
name
I
Jani is
think,
my. Yeah, you
excuse me,
think?
ma'am. I
Sure,
think
go
C
ahead.
is use A, O, and U, and K is use only I and E.
You are right. But when you are explaining this to a child of 3 years or 4 years, if you tell them, C will only go with A, O, U, and K with I and E, will they remember it for a long
No,
time?
ma'am. No, no,
But
no.
always K makes a hard sound, ma'am. C makes two sounds.
Let's come to that point. Hard and soft is a latter part, but the story goes like that. C and K are two best friends. They're very good friends.
Microbes. Sorry.
So they're very good friends. K is a tall friend and C is a short friend. So I'm very short, Genji is very tall. So we two are very good friends, but I'm short, na? I'm little bit naughty. So we two decided that, okay, the magic sounds, you take two, The short one decided. Because you're tall. You've got all the advantage of the world. You can pull and get some nice juicy mangoes from the tree. You can pluck them. You can touch the upper side of the board. You can write down there, I'm short. I'm having all the disadvantage. So let me take three magic letters, and you take 2 magic letters. K is very nice like Jayanji. She said, okay, Baba, you take the 3, I'll take 2. I'm happy with it. And now they went to home, each other's home. At night, C is very naughty, I told you that. It went stealthily to K's room and stole those 2 also, those magic letters. In the morning, what happened? When K woke up, what did he saw? Nothing. कुछ भी नहीं है. ले गया. See. बहुत friends था ना. ले गया. चोरी करके. He was very angry. He went to C's room and said, hey, you listen. You have stole mine one also. Now you are so greedy. You already had 3 and you stole mine also. Now C was caught red-handed. It was very scared. He said, okay, Baba, okay, you take it. He said, no, I will not take it. But from today, whenever you are using my magic letters, you cannot use your what? Use your sound. You have to use your name. So what is the name? The name of the letter was what?
C.
C. And what was the sound of the letter?
K.
K. So C cannot use its sound. It can use its name.
My name.
Okay, I'll show you. See.
Caterpillar.
K always takes 2 I and E. And C takes A, O, and U. But C stole. Now, whenever C is using I and E, let's see what happens.
Rekha ji, you want to ask something?
C reproduce the soft sound of letter S. So,
Please,
when it is
let's not,
followed by yes.
don't jump. Now you just know here K and name of the letter and the sound of the letter. Don't go to hard sound and soft sound. We will go there. They also have other logic why it is called soft and hard.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Rekha ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, please switch on your videos. Please switch on your videos. Please switch on your videos.
Rekha ji, you want to ask something?
हो गया.
Okay.
So whenever it is using E, it cannot use its sound. It uses its name. The name is C. And the sound is
K.
क्या हो गया? My goodness. Please do not. Oh my God. So क्या हो गया? Please don't do this because then it becomes difficult. I won't write. Okay. So this is we will go for soft and hard sound later on. Now you know the name and the sound. The name of the letter is K and the sound is S. So they cannot use, yes, they cannot use its sound, but it can only use its name. That is yes, that is called the CK rule. This is called the CK rule. Now the next sound is, how do you break an egg? Have you ever make this omelette? And how do you break the egg? A. Not A. It is A. 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 See, put your finger like that. A. Yes. Then when you jump, when in the class you jump up and down, hop up and down, what happens after sometimes? Hop and down. We start breathing heavily, right? So let's do the action. Now, have you ever seen an angry dog who is trying to tear a piece of cloth or a piece of rug? Have you tried to pull it? It makes a sound. Hey, hey, hey. Roll your tongue and vibrate. Then on Sundays when you prepare a tasty lunch, then what your family members say? Oh, lovely. It's not it. It's not. It is strong. It is. And then when in the sports, the kids beats beats the drum or makes the plays the drum, how it sounds. So now this is also going to be your assignment. Yes, very good. So this is going to be your assignment for today. Genji will share the sample picture. Curly the caterpillar. See, when we are using A and U, curly the caterpillar, right? And kicking K. Kicking K. These are going to be your teaching learning material. TLMs. You can make it a puppet. You can make it in a flashcards. You can have a lot of creative things. Kicking K. Okay? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's hear. Before this, have you ever seen castanets? Have you ever seen castanets, or do you know what is a castanets?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
Manjeera.
it's not. No.
Playing.
Who said Manjeera? It's not Manjeera.
Instrument.
It's not Manjeera.
Playing instrument.
Castanets are small clicking instruments.
Clicking castanets. Yes.
It's a clicking castanets means what is castanets is? Clicking, I know. We all know. But what is castanets? Have you ever seen that, and do you know how it is used and where?
Ma'am, castanets is an instrument which is used by the dancer while they are dancing with the music. They are playing that castanet sound.
Which dancers? Which dancers?
Ma'am,
Bharatanatyam dancers?
no, ma'am, no. Salsa. Salsa dancers.
I
think.
think salsa, ma'am.
I think finger.
Flamenco dancers, the Mexican
Flamenco.
dance.
Mexican, yes.
Flamenco dancers.
Flamenco.
Flamenco dancers, they uses castanets. There are small instruments which they have in their hand, and it makes a clicking noise. It makes a clicking noise. Okay.
We are
We are clicking castanets.
We
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets.
Kites are flying in the
In the sky.
Kites are flying in the
Kites are flying in the sky.
Kites are flying in the sky.
In the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
Flying in the sky. Huh?
Eggs in the
Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. And the eggs like this. We crack the eggs like this.
I like to hop,
Hop, hop, hop,
up
up and down. I like to hop, hop, all around.
I like to hop,
up and down. See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. Mom and the dad makes many mills. Mom and the dad makes many mills for their hungry children.
We are
Playing promise lots of fun. Da, 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 da. So, any questions? So we did 2 groups. What is Jolly Phonics? We did. It's a synthetic phonics. Why it is important? Because it uses multisensorial method and it creates a lifelong learners, right? And
Yes.
42 sounds are divided into 7 groups. Today we did those 2 groups, and each sound carries their own story.
Yes, ma'am.
So the story which I told you is the guideline. You can create your
Own story.
any queries, any questions? Any questions?
This is the first session. Maybe there are some doubts. Maybe you want some clarifications. Please go ahead. The group is open for the queries. You can ask in the group also. You will get all the answers.
Okay,
Now, for
ma'am.
the time
Thank
being,
you.
Now,
any questions for the time being?
for your nice session.
Come again, sorry.
Everything is clear, ma'am. Thank you so much.
We will be sending notes also in the group. Just
Thank you
go
so
through the
Yes,
notes
ma'am.
and
Yes, ma'am. We got the net. And story also.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Story also. Please send the story also, na?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am. Yes,
you
ma'am.
will get the
recording will be there.
stories.
The recording will be there in the group. You
The
can
stories will
rewatch the recording so that you will see the story also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
yeah.
It was a nice session.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Any doubts? We will be meeting on Wednesday now
Have a nice day.
on the
And
same time.
you will start creating your own stories also.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
We will be having storytelling
Yes, ma'am.
competition next week. Then you will need all these things. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Nutanji, you want to add something in the last few your motivational words?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
So first of all, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Das ma'am, for a nice session. And I hope teachers will get very good knowledge after this session. And like it was today, so we are having TTS.
Monday, Wednesday,
Are you
Friday.
hearing me?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
The classes will be on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at the same time, 4 p.m. 4 to
TWR.
5:30.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
And don't worry, Devjani ji is famous for the Jollyphonics. She will teach you Jollyphonics in the last.
By now, Jain ma'am has also learned Jollyphonics.
Yeah, with you, so I have learned something.
If I'm not if I'm absent, then she can be my replacement.
Not your replacement, but yes, yeah, for
No,
some
she
time I
can.
can
She
pass.
can. Yes, she can.
Yes.
She can. Absolutely. So I hope you will also. I can share my knowledge with you so that you can get a better insight of it.
Yes. And we will be meeting on Wednesday at the same time. We will be sending feedback form, assignment, and notes in the group. So keep a watch on the group.
I will be sending you the assignments today. Okay.
Okay,
Das ma'am, there is a humble request.
Sure.
Yeah, please,
other than Oxford family members, they can leave, and this OGPS family will remain over there because we have one more important person with us. So he wants to guide to teachers on few tips. So as a admin, I think you made Rachana ma'am admin.
Yes.
So Rachana ma'am is not there, if I'm not wrong. So you can make me admin, Twinkle ma'am, and the other teachers can leave except Oxford family. They will remain here only.
So I can also leave? No?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
informative session.
Thank you. I hope I
All
will
right.
make this journey happy.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Sorry, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Very good evening. Very good evening, all of you.
Good evening, sir.
Namaste, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
हो गया बस
Good
एक ही
evening,
बहुत है
sir.
जी
sir.
मैंने भी
Good evening, sir.
क्लास किया है
Good
और
evening, sir.
गुड वेरी गुड इवनिंग
Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते मैंने भी क्लास किया है और जब तक सीखते रहते हैं तो इसका फायदा ये होता है कि हम बुढ़े नहीं होते हैं, बच्चे होते हैं। तो अब कब तक बच्चा रहना है ये आप लोगों पर डिसाइड रहेगा कि आप सीखते रहेंगे, लेकिन सीखने के भी काफी प्रकार है। तो उनमें एक प्रकार हमारा होता है कि हम बहुत अच्छे से सीखें। तो इसमें जो है अभी एज ए स्टूडेंट हमें बैठना है। अभी जैसे हम कुछ लोग घर पर अलग अलग रूपों में बैठे हुए हैं, तो एज ए स्टूडेंट हम लोग बैठे। एज ए स्टूडेंट हमारा क्या होगा, हमारे पास में एक पेज होगा, एक डायरी होगी आपकी। अभी जो आपने फोनिक साउंड की इसकी जो वर्कशॉप इसके लेवल की बना लोगे, तो वहां शुरुआत से लेकर अपनी हैंड राइटिंग में नोट्स लिखोगे। आशा है कि आपने लिखे होंगे, तो अभी ग्रुप
Yes,
पे
sir.
सब उनको शेयर भी करेंगे जिन्होंने लिखे हैं। तो एक तो ये चीज होना चाहिए जिससे कि आप अपनी जब लैंग्वेज में लिखेंगे तो कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं हमारे जो हमारे माइंड में फिट नहीं बैठते हैं, तो उनका हम लास्ट में क्वेश्चन भी पूछ लेते हैं, फिर जो भी हमारा रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है, और हमारे नोट्स भी तैयार हो जाते हैं। तो एक तो मेरा ये था कि आप अपना नोट्स बनाएंगे और शेयर करेंगे। दूसरा ये है कि जो सीरियसली ज्वाइन नहीं कर रहे हैं, सीरियसली ज्वाइन में आपका बैठने का तरीका, लिखने का, कैमरा ऑन, उनके साथ में बार बार रिपीटेशन, ये सब पार्ट आएंगे। उनको कम से कम भी जून में 4 बार ज्वाइन करना होगा। मैं आपको पहले दिन इसलिए बता रहा हूं कि आप ये ना कहें कि भाई किसी ने 999 में ही कोर्स कवर कर लिया और किन्हीं ने 4 टाइम्स पैसे देकर भी नहीं सीख पाए। तो 999 देना सॉल्यूशन नहीं है। ये सब सीखना सॉल्यूशन है। तो आपको ये चीज ध्यान में देना है कि हमको ये चीज सीखना है। अब 999 में सीखना है या 999 × 4 में सीखना है, ठीक है, ये आप पर डिपेंड करेगा, ठीक है। और
क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे।
हाँ, एक कुछ क्वेश्चंस आप लोग जरूर पूछें जो आपने नोट किए हो, क्योंकि 100% समझ में आने का मतलब ये है कि मुझे 999 नहीं देना था आपको, सब पहले से आप जानते थे, तो वो तो दिख नहीं रहा। हमने कोई नई क्लास ज्वाइन की है तो हमें भी नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आए। दूसरा, अपनी अपनी IQ के अनुसार शाम में जब वॉक को जाए तो दोबारा भी सुन लेना, रिकॉर्डिंग शायद इस पे मिलेगी। तो नंबर ऑफ रिपीट, आप होमवर्क भी तो देते हो ना बच्चों को, तो होमवर्क भी है, आप शाम में एक बार फिर से भी सुन लेना इसी रिकॉर्डिंग्स को दोबारा भी।
Yes,
आपको
sir.
कम से कम भी डिफरेंट इसमें समझ में आएगा जितने 2 बार भी कम से कम आप सुनेंगे, क्योंकि आपको लग रहा होगा कि ये कितने टाइप, लेकिन 9 क्लासेज है आपकी कुल, और पहली क्लास कितनी अच्छी समझ में आई है इस पर दूसरा क्लास डिपेंड करेगा। आप समझ रहे हैं ना? अगर आपको लेटर समझ में नहीं आया तो वर्ड्स नहीं आएगा,
Yes,
और
sir.
वर्ड समझ में नहीं आया तो आपको सेंटेंस नहीं आएगा। तो इसलिए पहले दिन की क्लास को 2 से 3 बार आप सुन लेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा, ठीक है ना। और क्या लिखा था मैंने, लेस टेस्ट विल बी, इसके एंड में कौन कौन ज्वाइन करेंगे दोबारा, जैसे ही 9 दिन पूरे हो जाएगा तो एक टेस्ट आपका होगा ऑफलाइन स्कूल में, उसमें कितने मार्क्स आएंगे उसके आधार पर फिर से आप लोग ज्वाइन करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे।
सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू, यहाँ पे एट द एंड ऑफ द सेशन ही एक टेस्ट होगा, उसी के बेसिस
हाँ,
पे यू विल बी गेटिंग सर्टिफिकेट्स और ग्रेड्स आपको उसी के बेसिस पे मिलेंगे।
That's good. After evaluation, after
The evaluation
assignment.
is based on the assignments they give, the artwork or craftwork they do. Then we will be issuing the certificates, and the grades will be given on the
और
basis of all those things.
और आपको सीरियस इतना क्यों हो जाना चाहिए, जब मैनेजमेंट भी सीखना चाह रहा है तो कोई वजह होगी। अगर मैनेजमेंट सीखना चाह रहा है तो कोई वजह होगी, तो टीचर बिना सीखे रहने का मतलब लॉस होगा उसका, मेरे को बाद में नहीं बोलेंगे। सीरियसनेस में इसकी इसलिए बता रहा हूं कि जब हम सीखना चाह रहे हैं तो आप बिना सीखे नहीं रहेंगे, इसको आपको अच्छे से ध्यान में रखना है। और अपने अपने हेड्स को भी आप बोल देंगे कि सब लोग ज्वाइन करें, आज पहला दिन था, आज रिकॉर्डिंग सुन लेंगे। 9 क्लास में 100% प्रेजेंट, 100% कैमरा, ये सब ज्वाइन करके स्टूडेंट के रूप में आप लोगों को ज्वाइन करना है। तो इसलिए मैंने आपको ये सब चीज डायरेक्शंस दिए हैं थोड़े से, अभी हमने नोट डाउन भी किए हैं ब्रांच वाइज, किन किन के थोड़ी देर के लिए टाइमिंग, वो सब चीजें हमने 2 लोग लगाए हुए हैं स्क्रीन पे। आप चाहेंगे तो आपको आपकी रिपोर्ट भी मिल जाएगी कि किन्होंने 5 मिनट है, किन्होंने 10 मिनट है, किन्होंने फुल है, कितना कितना है, कौन किस उसमें है। उसका पर्पज सिर्फ इतना ही है कि आप लोग अवेयर हो जाएं। अच्छा नहीं लगेगा कि जब आपका क्लास में एक टेस्ट होगा और आपके पैसे भी ढेर हो जाए, चले जाएंगे 2 3 4 बार में, फिर भी आपको कुछ सामना करना पड़े तो गलत होगा। तो आपको मेरी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं भी है जो भी आपने सीखा है। आई थिंक रिकॉर्डिंग आएगी तो मैं भी मंद बुद्धि बीच वाला ही छात्र हूं, तो मैं एक बार और सुनूंगा ताकि मैं और अच्छे से हो जाऊं। तो जो भी मेरे साथ साथ इसी IQ लेवल के हो वो भी सुन सकते हैं, जिनको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू।
Thank you,
One
sir.
thing more I want to add here, it will be a 9-hour session, 9-hour course है total, 6 classes will be there of 90 minutes each. So total will be 9 hours like this.
9 नहीं है 6 है।
Okay.
90 minutes each session, 6 classes. So 9 hour. So 9 hour. 9 hour.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
रिकॉर्डिंग मिलेगी।
So it is a request to Twinkle ma'am, please share the recording of
Yes,
this
yes.
session.
By evening you will be,
Teachers
by
can revise
7
it.
o'clock you will be getting the recording.
Okay, ma'am. And thank you so much.
Thank you everyone
so
for
much,
joining us.
teachers.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
so much, ma'am. Such a nice.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Nutan
Good
ji, you
evening,
are
ma'am.
the
Good
host
evening, sir.
now,
Good
so
evening,
you have
ma'am.
to end the meeting.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.